Welcome back, everyone. I bought this on Amazon.com. This is for a 2005 Ranger, or so the listing says. I found out it's actually for a Dodge, but I'm going to make it work because I got some handy skills. I don't often return things. Pretty much everything on my truck is custom. Just unboxing it here, showing you what's inside the package. These are some pretty bright LEDs. Ridiculously bright, way brighter than the original bulbs, incandescent bulbs that are in the truck. I'm also going to show you an image of what it looks like before and after in the truck, well, on the truck. So you can see here the original light bulbs. They're not very bright. Here I've got one bulb in on the left side, and you can see on the right side I have the yellow bulb, which the yellow bulb is not very bright. You can see here a little closer. The yellow bulb is on the right, white bulb's on the left. And you can see here I got them both in, and it's so bright people behind me get pretty mad.